I don't care who first or who last. I just know y'all better rock this at the drop of a dime, baby. I don't care what y'all say or what y'all do, but you got to be finished before the music is through. I don't think y'all heard me, hold on. So here we go now, it be the midnight Marauder on the scene, geographically earthed in a place called Queens. I was born with my principles, way I displayed when I used to cool out while all the other kids played. Cause I was way too ill, I would hone my skill, go out in the park and let my chemicals spill. Right there on Farmers Boulevard, I made my mark. Two dudes, brothers would dip from was me and the Knox. And then my legend would grow on the A-train line, where rappers would gather to see me blowing nicks and dimes. It was me, Big Pete, Tanya, and Sa'abu in the heat of the cypher. I was not liable for all the casualties of the dirty MCs. I split the train car like Moses did the Red Sea. Get it in your head, we gon' rock the dead. Night of the living MCs, the weak ones fled. Come on, bus.
Yeah, God body wise intelligence. Smack niggas and wrestle with elephants. My beloved, respect my benevolence. Coming like missiles, the issue is this be the shit you can't rebel against. Then I sniff out you niggas that be hiding in bushes. What's up? And strangle niggas like poisonous octopuses. Shut the fuck up. Back with hazardous weathers and blizzards as I spit. Sticking out my tongue like an iguana lizard at you corny niggas. Animal Planet rap wildlife. Stabbing you in your back wild nights. While I hunt and eat you niggas like food, leaving you bleeding. Rattle the speakers like some buffalo stampede. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, lyrically I'm like goons accidentally beating you like gorillas playing. Just know when I spit I be seducing them. Countless money with diamonds that's buried in Jerusalem. The Renaissance.
Hey yo, squeezing Johnny Walker neck up in the benzo freezing. The heck long cock block pumping is easy. Poison medals on my neck, wrists and arms. Louis luggage is bronze, a big bag of D, happy Quans. Together we the shy lights, a twist of the OJs. One line permits to have you leaning like roach spray. Poison up on Hoyt Street, my boys in. This is our choice, Brooklyn, Shallon, Wallin in them Royces. Old gold at the Golden Globes, my robe hitting the cement. Chef in the building, yup, and he bent 1,001 goons at the Roomba. Certified clients, drug money and something up giants. Yo, it's the Tarzan, cocaine clan in the area. Gorillas and Louis hats, the more the merrier. Take mines, take 109s. We be running out of rhymes. Never bullets, try to front you minds. Renaissance.
Let me spaz, let me spaz. Though they call me Weezy F, you gon' let me pass. So ahead of my time with my next week ass. Money on the dinner table like let's eat cash. And I do it for the killers and the $100 billers. And from now on, I don't think you should stunt without $1 million in the bank. I got money in the bank to throw your hands in the air if your pussy don't stink. You got a bullet in the shank, I got a bullet in the tank. I got fur in my boots and a hoodie on the mink. Stop sweating me, you should follow me, I'm directing it. Other fools break it down, I be dissecting it. Ever since I made it up out of middle America, everybody wanna be in my genital area. But you better stay away from my chemical barrier. Weezy baby, straight out the cesarean.
What's it called, man?
Oh yeah, Renaissance rap.
Man, I ain't gonna give y'all my microphone no more, cause y'all tear it up when you get it. Let me see who we had on here. We had Kiwi Clip, you had Busta Rhymes, you had Raekwon the Chef, you had Lil Wayne on here. Man, I ain't giving y'all microphone no more, cause y'all tear it up when you get it. I just said get a little something before the beat go.
Good times of a New York nigga.
That's how we gon' do it. Hey yo, times is hard, but we get through it. And even though it's crime involved, we had to do it by any means. Malcolm X marked the spot. I went from riding bikes to riding through in the drop. The road to success for me was real gritty. Wasn't no stress for me. Don't feel pity. Life is a bitch and she sure ain't pretty. But I'ma do me anyway, nigga. Cause I'm from New York. I break bread, ribs, $100 bills. A young prodigy when it come to drug deals. In New York, I get blood money. Dirty cash for my Matt Black G. I used to skip out on cabs. Went from giving no dough to giving limos. Ticket to shows, either way I'm driven. The shit shows. Spit flows like Bo-Sick hoes. Yacht master Rolex watch above my mo. Drinking champagne out the bottle. Young Crisco, poppin', hoppin', let's politic, ditto. Same niggas saying time to get this money. Dippin' the same niggas saying that for years, still hungry. New discussion, New York artists wanna be southern. The city's lost, so out-of-towners find themselves frontin'. It was big, Jay-Z, not sure you have hit after. Kendrick Lamar's just a weirdo rapper. Hey yo, times is hard, but we get through it. And even though it's crime involved, we had to do it by any means. Malcolm X marked the spot. I went from riding bikes to riding through in a drop. The road to success for me was real grit, real wasn't no stress for me. Don't feel pity, life is a bitch and she sure ain't pretty. And I'ma do me anyway, nigga, cause I'm from New York City.
Uzis to elephant guns, small pistols, long Genzus, little shorties, Chiba big 40s, sitting back in the hood, good nigga good, retrieving every dollar bill, grabbing my wood. You know we specialists at nighttime, call us the poisonous pumpers, who run up on these niggas like Nightline, the arsonists and good vines. That means the Wiz is amazing, assignment baby since 89, creeping through hallways, big laundry bags, 4Ks, hand on them niggas, not jam niggas. Fuck they gon' do with no cream, you might as well be a bum, cause you can never represent the money team. We smash faces, flash bracelets, that's the basic. Don't get smacked in your mouth with 45 razors. Yeah, the Jungle Brothers rolling with all coverage. Get him, young Troy, what he fuck with
Ayo,
us.
times is hard, but we get through 'em. And even though it's crime involved, we had to do 'em by any means. Malcolm X marked the spot. I went from riding bikes to riding through in a drop. The road to success for me was real grit, real wasn't no stress for me. Don't feel pity, life is a bitch and she sure ain't pretty. And I'ma do me anyway, nigga, cause I'm from New York City.
You know how I steady rock, New York City vibe. Used to sling ready rock, war on the petty block, back-to-back cases. Now we drink liquor, drinking back-to-back cases. No, we ain't a racist. Spades hand aces, out of town papers, Luxor, Vegas, hurt shit, Avis. I graduated from the street life accordingly. Set my first rhyme on the jail phone accordingly. I've been shot niggas since 14. I've been to war mean, got guns from Fort Greene. I extorted niggas, I was the re-up man. I gave the order niggas, Poppy gave the order niggas. King Flow used to get coke from Domingo. Yeah, ho in the old folks home, he playing bingo. He sold it for 10, but I got him for Cinco. Safe in the ceiling, the guns under the sink floor.
Ayo, times is hard, but we get through 'em. And even though it's crime involved, we had to do 'em by any means. Malcolm X marked the spot. I went from riding bikes to riding through in a drop. The road to success for me was real grit, real wasn't no stress for me. Don't feel pity, life is a bitch and she sure ain't pretty. And I'ma do me anyway, nigga, cause I'm from New York City.
Times of a New York nigga, we very different. Please pardon my aggression, but move for my vision with that bullshit you spittin'. You talking my high off, you blowing my vibe. You forcing my iron off my belt. I'm forcing myself to be chill. Dad, listen to them journalists. Get yourself killed, they ain't never lit his light and no near about it. They hide behind aliases and talk routed. From behind a MacBook, fuck a blog, dog. I see you in the flesh, you be shook like a martini. I know they tired of me, I know they wish I would die already, but I'm very dope. I'm so cold, you should get your February coat. That NY shit, you niggas got warm hearts. No offense, but I tear you apart. No matter which part of the map you reppin', get your weapon.
Ayo, times is hard, but we get through 'em. And even though it's crime involved, we had to do 'em by any means. Malcolm X marked the spot.